Okay, yeah.
Shark! We're here and we're going to go up this way. Not this way or this way. This way being the way we've come. We're going this way. Not this way or this way. This way.
And we slept there last time. See this? See this? See this? This is emu shit. Do you know how I can tell? Tastes like it. I'm Bear fucking Grills. Hang on, I need a drink.
Here we are. We're on Bear Grylls and Bear's going to eat some pig.
No, that's not pig. That's his claw.
Eat it.
You eat it.
We're at Cave Hill and we're enjoying all the flies. Yeah. Tell him to fuck off. Go fuck off. Get the fuck out of here.
Good.
You ready?
Yep.
Take 3. We're at Cave Hill and we caught this fucking gorilla over there.
He was behaving.
Did you do that on purpose?
Monkeys used to do this. Then you'd eat it. And because I'm fucking Grey Bills,
Go on, lick it. There you.
I'm an idiot. They bite. They get...
Scary little come in here and draw all over the place. That gives me the shits. The fuckers have got to come in here and draw their scrawny cast names over the fucking building. The likes of Ponce, BW, sewage name 1990, and Staschek, KS. Yeah, oh, bastard.
There's tame kangaroos here.
No, why?
There is, on the little sign there. It says don't shoot tame kangaroos here.
Well, they're not tamed like pet kangaroos. It's probably because they're used to people coming around.
Can you get me down? I'm scared. I'm scared. It's a long way.
You got... Get out of the snow! Quick, it's a blizzard! Come on, hurry up! You can do it!
This is all Charles got, a rock, because he can't be king. With only a face a mother could love, I'm Graham from 4-Wheel Drive Action. And action is what we're all about. Real 4-wheel drive, real 4-wheel drive people, and real kids. Everything is open, being Good Friday. Hey, good doing! Me, I got shot.
And don't film while my ass is in the air.
That's a good idea. What was that you said?
Not to film while my ass was in the air.
Okay. Look, Mason, Pop stole your egg.
I'm going to eat it.
This is typically how the fucking niggers used to do it.